So over here you can see that I have a layer, and let's say what I want to do is apply radial blur to it. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to right click on the layer that you want to apply the blur to, then go to apply effect and click on radial zoom blur. So once you do that, over here you can see that there are many presets that you can choose from over the direction, and you can work around with the blurriness level as well. So let's say I'm going to change around the blurriness level to around 10 and click on preview right here. And you can see the radial blur is applied from over here, just like this. So you can go around and choose different presets. So right now you can see the direction. So let's say it's going to be minus 45 degrees right here. So it goes to that direction. You can go for the zoom level right here. So it's kind of like a zoom blur. You can go around over here on to minus 135 right here. And you can make it like a spin on the right, spin on the left right here, just like this. You can go around, make it like a whirlpool. You can go around, make it like zoom in and so forth, and make it move around over here. So you can go around onto the custom value and type in the exact value as well if you want to. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and type in 70, press preview. And then what happens is that depending on what you have, you can go around and see the effect. You can also enable and disable the bidirectional blur so that you got twice as blur when you add the bidirectional. And over here by default, the focus point is on the center. So if you want to move off the focus point, let's say for example by 100 pixels right here, you can type in 100 and the focus point will move a bit apart right here, as you can see. So it's 100 point on the x-axis. So let me just do 10 and press preview right here. And what happens is that this becomes the focus point right here. So let me just move around the focus point by 5 right here. And the focus point becomes this, and the blurriness gets affected accordingly. So that is how you can work around with the radial zoom blur inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.